So this is another Cortex-m3 CPU block diagram representation. And as we can see here, the Cortex-m3 processor core is the main heart of the M3 CPU block. The Cortex-m3 processor core is not a single unified hardware module. Actually, it does consist of sub-hardware modules organized into stages. Cortex-m3 has 3 stages: fetch, decode, and execute. So within the Cortex-m3 core fetch unit, the CPU will try to fetch or read out the instruction out of the memory where your code or program is located. And here the instruction will go all the way until the fetch unit. Within the fetch unit, we have a prefetch buffer. The size of the prefetch buffer is 3 word size. The main goal of the prefetch buffer is to minimize the latency when reading out the instruction back and forth from the system memory. So when moving the pipeline from one stage to another, instead of reading the instruction one by one from the system memory, which involve quite heavy latency, we can just speed up things by reading the instruction out of the prefetch buffer, where we are buffering those instructions. Once fetched, we can move to the second stage of the pipeline, which consists of a decoder. This one will try to parse the opcode of the instruction, determine if it is 16 32-bit instruction, also will determine the instruction type if it is CPU-based one like shift or move, for instance, or if it is pure arithmetic one like addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or if it is memory-based one like load or store. Once decoded and based on the instruction type, this will be dispatched to the proper and corresponding execution unit. For instance, if it is pure arithmetic one like subtraction or multiplication, then this will go to the arithmetic logic unit. If it is load or store operation, it means like memory based one, then it will go to the load store unit, and so on. So this is just to give you an overview about the Cortex-m3 core, the different stages within this core and submodules. However, we'll discuss into detail the pipeline stages within the Cortex-m3, as well as the submodules within, especially the execution unit and execute stage.